Hey y'all, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Thanksgiving everybody. It's Thursday, everybody's all work and stuff, which is nice. Need a nice little break. I get a 4-day weekend, so that's nice. We're gonna do we're gonna smoke probably about a 14-pound turkey. I'm gonna inject it with some chicken broth and some butter and some seasonings, like probably got a couple of cups of that stuff. Just gonna inject it in there. We're gonna smoke a ham on the Weber. I'm gonna do the turkey on the Oklahoma Joe. Let it go, see how it does. A big bird on there, I'm sure it'll be fine. You know, just your regular sides and stuffing and green bean casserole and, you know, we call it candied yams or sweet potato casserole. So get some of this stuff going, guys, and we'll be back when we get ready to throw this on the grill.
Alright y'all, we're back. The grills are rolling. We got the Bronco blowing smoke. We got the Weber blowing smoke. Just gonna peek this right quick, show y'all. Oh man. Alright, so I do have the ink bird hooked up. I got one probe here in the breast. I got one probe in the thigh. There's my ambient probe right there. We're gonna shut that down. I got the throttle wide open on this thing. Let it go. And we got the ham indirect cooking on the Weber, and I got the probe right there to check the temp on that. So we'll let these go a while, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, welcome back. Man, we checking on this turkey. It's been probably about almost 2 hours. She's looking good, y'all. Breast temp is about 154. Thighs about 147. Let's check this pork here. Pork is about 131. Oh man, look at that, y'all. We'll have some glaze ready for that. Oh boy, if y'all could smell this. Oh my goodness. Alright, gang, we will be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we're getting close here. I put some brown sugar glaze on the ham. There. There's my sidekick. She's always out there cooking with me. That's Jezebel. Let's check this turkey, y'all. Oh yeah, baby. Getting there. A little bit more to go. We will check back soon. Alright, y'all, welcome back. We got the ham pulled off. It's inside resting. Our turkey is almost done, gang. We probably got maybe 30 minutes left on this here. So you keep on cooking. You looking good, smelling good. And let's look over here, y'all. Fired up the old gasser here. We're doing some mashed potatoes and, you know, little stuff like that. I had to come cook outside. Cary, run me out the kitchen, y'all. How you like that? We made a little gravy. And we got us some cornbread dressing. So we got that cooking. Oh, it smells good. Wish y'all could smell this. Anyway, we'll be back, guys. Y'all, welcome back. Waiting on the turkey to get done. I did find out that I got my gravy done. I got it on warm on the top of my Bronco here, my Oklahoma Joe. That'll thick metal holds heat pretty good. So I got it sitting up there. Look at that. Nice, huh? But anyway, we're waiting on turkey. Alright, gang, we got the turkey pulled off. It's resting. Finally, it stalled out on me. The breast wouldn't get past like 160. Finally got it done, so we're gonna let it rest. We'll cut it up and we'll be back. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back. We finally got the turkey done. It stalled out on me, but this is what we got, y'all. So a little trip around the plate there. I'm missing the sweet potatoes there, but it's our green bean casserole. We got some ham. We got the turkey there. Yeah, I had to take a bite. It come out delicious. Cornbread dressing, mac and cheese. No, I didn't get mashed potatoes yet either. That's our candied yams, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, mac and cheese, cornbread dressing, and the turkey's over here, part of it. Come out good, y'all. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. We're going to eat because we're starving. And happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope y'all had a great one. Comment, like, subscribe. Later.